Hello guys, Igor here doing one more AppSumo review. Today analyzing brilliant directories, a tool that claims to launch, manage, and monetize your own membership website to dominate your market. The tool has more than 7 positive reviews on AppSumo. Yes, it's a lot. I think it's one of the deals with more AppSumo reviews. And the deal is ending in less than 1 day. So you should buy it today because it's living and it's a pretty different tool. It's a complete turnkey platform, software and service for launching membership websites, managing members, selling subscription, publishing content, and more. It's a tool to create a membership website in a way that you can manage directories. So, for instance, you can add how many lawyers you want and create a membership website with lawyers. So you can offer lawyer service, for instance. Okay. So you can see here your members and here the members results. Your members can be how many lawyers you can bring into the platform, and the deal will change depending on the tier you buy. Every tier gets their website plan update, and if you buy tier 1, you get 250 members and 1000 members on tier 2, and one tier 3 10 members. But remember that if you buy more tiers, you get also more features. To get all the features, you need to buy at least the license tier 3. And to get the developer tools, appear integrations, and webhooks, you need to buy the tier 5 with 50k members. So I think since you need the Facebook login and Google login, you need like the tier 3 to get those. That one will be the better deal. Okay? The better cost benefit to get the tier 3. So you get more and more features and, of course, members. Like with 10k, you can run a total business with it. It's a tool that with it you can create a new business. So I think it's worth to try if you have in mind to create a directory. I will show you how the tool works. Here is the tool. You can see the whole dashboard where you can find all the tutorial as well. I would recommend you to follow that guidance to create your membership directory. On the general settings, you're gonna configure all the features of your website, for instance, the website name, the phone number, the profession name of your members, for instance, lawyers, your email domain, if you're gonna add your website as in live mode or staging mode, so people will not see when you are creating your website as well. As you can see here, it's pretty simple to just follow the guidance to add your logo, favicon, the default member photo. Okay, so member badge, image, everything is you can configure everything, the email template, etc. Everything will be branded. Okay, so just follow the general settings. You're gonna add your social media, your localization as well. You can connect the integrations. They have Google Analytics, reCAPTCHA, SendGrid, Google Maps, Google developers, Facebook Message, private member chat message, and affiliate program integrations as well, Post Affiliate Pro and Share Sale affiliates. You can also customize the design the way you want, and also it's pretty simple. Just follow the guidance here on settings. I was telling you about how the general settings work, and here's the design settings, everything on settings. And then you can go here and on the main design, change the colors, change the header design as well. You can change to display header or not, and change all the colors to fit your brand. Okay, your logo designer as well. Okay, changing the slogan. Everything is customizable. Okay, also everything works on banner ads. You can add custom CSS to further customize your website. Okay, so the design settings, everything, just follow the guidance, follow the tabs, and you will be able to customize it in no time. And of course, as a membership website, you can add your own domain, and they will provide you an SSL certificate as well. Just enter your domain, and you're gonna add your CNAME here, okay? Your CNAME, and you're gonna add your custom domain with SSL as well. And here on setting as well, you can add new administrators, and you can see here the kinds of data that your administrator will have. You will be able to see the last login, email, name, the role, etc. Your members, of course, can join your website, but you can also add new members manually, and it's pretty simple. Just click on the green button and add a new member. Okay, you can select the membership plan. You can also configure those plans, the way that you want, paid or free, and just add first name, last name, all the data, and the email, and you have a new member on your website. Here is how you're gonna add the page. You're gonna go to the website builder. You're gonna select one of them. As you can see, they will be created by default. So you only need to click on the edit button to change the home page, login page, pricing page, etc. Just click on edit. Everything will come by default. When you add like that, you can see that we have a builder here where you can type and just drag and drop image, video, contact form, text with image. Okay, it's everything dragging and drop. Membership plan. Okay, you drag and drop, and it will show up here like that. It's pretty simple. Okay, your membership website will also have a blog. You can click here to publish a new post and edit a new post. Clicking here, create a new post. You select the post type, if it's job listing, photo album, product, discussion, okay? And which member will be the author of your post. This is a blog post, as you can see here. You upload your default image, the post article, the category, publish date. You can enter the tags. You can configure this SEO as well with meta description, meta keywords, meta title. Everything is SEO customizable, SEO optimizable. And just type here, add image, add videos, and is it. You can change the font, everything pretty simple on your website. You can add the SEO meta tags that they are dynamically generated. So after that, you can customize as well your SEO templates. I'm going to show you how to create the membership plans as well. Just click on membership plan. It's pretty simple to use, okay? You have a place where you have your finance here. Click on membership plans and just add the one that you're going to receive or create a new one. Okay, for instance, membership plan 2, monthly 10, annually 100, lead price 15. Okay, click on edit. Just follow the instructions here and add and change the price. Everything is fully customizable. You can change the name of your membership plan as well, as we are seeing here. You can create coupon codes. You can drive sales with new coupons. Pretty simple. Click on new coupon codes, fill the details, and it's done. It can be percentage discount or fixed value. It's pretty easy. I think this tool is pretty easy to deal with. You will have no problem to create a membership website with it. So it's ready to go. You're gonna be ready to create a new website with it and to drive your business. For instance, creating a lawyer database, creating a marketer database, also selling membership plans like selling course inside. It's possible as well selling paid content that only our members on paid plan will see as well. And here are the payment gateways. You have Stripe, Authorize, BluePay, eWay, PayFast, PayPal to check out. All the PayPals are there. Okay, you can chat with your members. You can see your members' review as well, etc. So this is brilliant directory. I think this deal is pretty unique. I've never seen a deal like that on AppSumo. It's one of a kind. If you need to create a directory website or create a membership website to sell your private content, you have a whole business inside with custom domain. You can configure your own email. Everything will be customizable with your brand. And I think you have a pretty good deal with the tier 3. I hope you like my review. Thank you so much. Bye bye.